Sunrise is located in Suyang Economic Development Zone of Jiangsu Province, which is a national industrial park in the cross-radiation area of Yangtze River Delta Economic Circle and Huaihai Economic Circle, which has the most economic vitality in China. It has a production base of nearly 80,000 square meters and complete facilities. Sunrise is a modern enterprise which integrates technology, research and development, product design, production and manufacture, pre-sales and after-sales service as one to provide one-stop service for the whole production line of food and beverage